Hello guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to unlock PS4 games. Many of the users are having this issue. Next to the game icon they are seeing a lock icon, which is having a trouble for many of the users, and in this video we're going to talk about some of the possible workarounds which can be done and try out all these things. And this is what you have to do. As the first step is all about, you need to try changing the internet connection, which means you might be already connected to a Wi-Fi or something. If that is the case, you have to change the internet connection to hotspot or something. So just change your internet connection. So to do so, click on the settings icon over there. Now from here, keep scrolling down and navigate to network and go for connected to the internet. So you can change the internet connection from here. You might be connected to the Wi-Fi or try changing to any hotspot. And once after that, go back. Now next one is all about, you have to go over here at the top on the account management, and you have to go over here in the next step, which is called activate as your primary PS4. So just click on this one. Now from there you have to wait and tap on activate, and once it's activated, you can try this out as a second step. Once it has been done, we have to move to the next step. There is one more step. Now go back and you have to go to tap on restore license. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, just tap on restore once again. Once it's successfully done, the restore is done. As you can see, once it's done, we have to done with this, and we have to move to the next step. There is one more step that is all about, you can try this out. Go back and navigate to network, and from here you just need to navigate to view status of PlayStation Network service. Once it is successfully done, you will be getting all the details over there, whether it's going through any kind of issues and all those things. And these are the possible workarounds that you can try out when you're having an issue with how to unlock PS4 games, and how we can fix this up when there is a lock icon next to your games. And I hope this video is helpful. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.